guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are new, hi, I'm Aishwarya Gupta. So today I'm shooting a video with my brother who's inside right now, and we are gonna do the A to Z challenge. He gave me the idea for it. We're gonna do a whole day routine alphabetical order mein. So like A say I'm gonna do the Ash Life intro, so that's what I'm doing right now, and then from B we have breakfast. So let's go. Okay, so we're done with breakfast, we're done with B, and from C we have a little change. So what we're gonna do is moms have made a list for us and we have made a list for ourselves. So we're gonna do chit system and we're gonna see what we get, and we have to do whatever we get.
So both of us are going to pick one chip.
Yeah,
And
no. We both are gonna keep two chits. One is mom's chit and one is our chit, and then we're just gonna pick one. Like एक time पे we pick one, and then उसके बाद we see what we get. Okay, so we're back home and we're done with A. That was Ash Life intro. B, that was breakfast, and now we're gonna do C.
So in our list for C, in our list we got chocolates. We're going to eat chocolates.
Yeah,
and mom,
I really hope I get chocolate.
yeah.
I'm like craving chocolate.
And mom, this is cleaning.
Ew, I don't want to clean. Okay.
So can
Krish, pick up chocolate. I'll kill you.
Okay.
Pick up one. Okay. What is it? This. Okay. What do you want to eat? What do you want to eat?
So we have a huge box of chocolate.
जो कृष्ण ने गिरा दिया. Very nice.
So I would like to. I'm going to eat bounties. One of my favorites.
I'm just.
अभी एक ने अभी दोनों जन एक्सेंट में बात कर रहे हैं
Ash Life accent. Ew, yaar.
Now we're eating those delicious chocolates. We are D. So D for us is dancing, and mom is choosing diet. So in diet we probably cannot eat anything for half an hour. And if
1
you
hour.
do 1 hour, and if you do what's diet? What do you do with diet?
You don't eat for 1 hour. That's diet.
So my sister's going to choose now, and if she chooses mom's, I'm gonna kill her.
कितना बुली करता है तू मुझे?
What is it?
God, we're so lucky I can't do it.
Yeah. This was mom.
Yeah, I'm gonna teach you heels. Let me up inside, I come with the chill. I whenever you're around, I always seem to smile.
Okay, there you go, it's done.
Started this one. Then wait. I'll teach you the other one. See, it goes like dice roll, then like that, and then like that, and then come close.
Okay, it's not my turn. Okay, you can want me less more than enough. Great, Baba. See. She's a jingle baby. She's a girl. Now the dancing time. Okay, so
Next is E.
E. So for E, we have Enola Holmes for us. That's a great movie we're gonna watch. And moms have chosen exercise.
Okay, shit. Please, Krish and Enola Holmes.
One. So this one is
We have to exercise. Can we redo it?
no, we can't redo it.
Okay, fine. What do you want to how do you exercise?
500 jumping jacks. Let's go.
500?
Okay,
Let's count in
50.
Okay, wait. Camera angle, sorry.
2, 3, 4, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 20. Now we have F.
Wait, very bad camera angle.
So F for us is free time, like we know what we want, and
I'm
they've
gonna
chosen fruits.
I just have chocolate. I don't have fruits after chocolate. But okay, whatever.
So, pick your choice. We can't see.
I'm not seeing. We have
Mom.
mom.
Seema Didi, say hi.
Say hi. Hi.
she's the house. क्या खाएगा? सीमा दीदी थोड़े सेब और करेले का जूस.
नहीं बिल्कुल नहीं दीदी दीदी आप स्ट्रॉबेरीज और पेरू
और स्ट्रॉबेरीज.
स्ट्रॉबेरी और पेरू और
बस. Okay, that's
Orange.
it.
Alright, so we were literally losing the chess at like every letter. So like Krish made a nap.
This is what the app looks like. So we're gonna, and just now we have G. So there's granola and game, and now we're gonna press the choose button. That's gonna tell us which one we have. Games.
Games! Yeah, what do you wanna play?
Boring.
Okay, so guys, actually it's raining outside, so we couldn't play Barry outside, so we played Barry inside. And yeah, we both suck at it, so we just played for like 10 minutes.
One eternity later.
Alright, so it's the next day because we slept kal. So continue. Stay! Krish is in his night suit. Stop. We have our chits. Now we're gonna do J.
J is just relax for us, and mom is jogging.
Paper क्यों डाल दिया?
Yeah, mom is jogging. I'm pretty to fairly. As we choose. Oh shit. Okay, jogging. Let's jog. Jog. Okay, that was jog.
You want to do spot jogging?
Okay, 400.
400 marks. Come in the video.
105, 36, 37, 115, 116, 117, 118.
Okay. Next is K. K is. What's the other trick though?
खाना और काम करना.
खाना खाते हैं. Please खाना खाए.
Where's the other shit?
Where's the other trick?
So, I should choose it. Oh, what is it? I'm not gonna look. My sister's gonna tell me from the camera.
Camera's here. Camera's here.
Eyes! That's me.
So the next one is lazy time or lectures, and we don't really have lectures right now. हमने सब attend कर लिया. So हमने नहीं, कृष्ण ने मतलब मेरे नहीं.
2,000 years later.
Next letter is M. M से क्या है read it out?
And so we have for myself is massage, and for them is mopping. Three. Don't do that.
What's up?
नहीं बिल्कुल नहीं.
ऐसे मामा को पैसे डालना नहीं है भाई.
लेंगे और 1000 increases by the day.
Arms.
Oh my
Guys,
god.
close your ears. As you close your ears.
Say camera angle गलत है. Okay. So the next one is N. That is nap time. So yeah.
Let's leave.
Now we're doing P, and P say mom's ka is praying and Hamara is pranking. So I really hope we are pranking because I'm like in the mood. Rish, that is good. Come on. Come on. उधर जाके दिखा. Okay. उधर ही जाके दिखा.
Both the chits.
Okay, उधर ही जाके दिखा.
And this is the second one.
क्या आया? Okay. Let's plan. Okay, so
Yeah. Okay.
Krish, do you want to tell what are we pranking?
I have put on Patanjali toothpaste.
Yeah, so he has put that.
And inside a little chocolate sauce, smell comes woozy.
Mama thought that I'm recording essay. So I was like, I had like kept the camera ulta, but he thought that's on selfie mode and I'm like shooting myself. So he didn't like even realize that we're shooting. It's so funny. T language use करना बंद करेगा. Okay, so now we need to do R. So we've got the chips. Let's do it. Pick it up and show it up. Okay, let's see.
Baby, good pot. Mom!
I wanted to make reels though, but okay, हम लोग को moms are, so we need to read. So yeah, we're just gonna. I don't even have anything to read. भाई क्या कर रहा है? कुछ भी नहीं. He's reading Samu's document.
What do I do?
Alright, so the next one is S. So we're just gonna go and swing. Yay! Let's go.
Hey. We're gonna stand on and drive it.
Pretty crazy.
And you know when we do this, it's pretty fun. You go.
Oh shit!
And there's a face.
Alright, so from T we're going to time zone. Chris? Sorry. We're going to time zone! Yeah, so we both changed. Krishna सिर्फ jacket पहना है, मैंने पूरा change किया. So we're leaving. Let's go! From time zone. We're really tired, but we're just gonna finish this video in half an hour, whatever. Let's just deal with it. Okay, so the next one is U. I'm not sure kya hai. I'll see that later. Let's do the chits first. What is it?
No idea.
No idea.
But ours will be better class. This is better than the mom. So, when?
U is. Useless handshake. Oh! No! Krish, when did you change the list? No! No.
Useless handshake.
Wait. No.
The handshake really pains a lot.
Okay, wait, let's just skip it. Skip. Then W is ours is watching shows or W is working out. We're very tired. So I really hope we get ours. Krish, if we don't get ours this time, I'm gonna give you one thappad. Let me mix. What is? It's ours, guys.
We're so damn lucky.
Like what? Oh my god! Alright guys, so I know we have not completed the whole thing. We did it till like W or something and then we skipped also ek do beech mein. Yeah, very shitty people we are. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed it, thank you so much for watching. Love you all. Let me know in the comment section for more such video ideas. Like, share, subscribe, comment, do everything. Bye.